Hello, good morning. Good morning. Gusto ko i-vlog na punti ka? So today is Tuesday. Going to usual na ginabuhat as a small business owner. Sa bayod na siya, especially when you have a cafe or a coffee shop or any type of food na business. Okay? So this is based on my experience, and I'm going to share with you kung unsa mga day-to-day. Diba? So, since naman ako ang mamadari, siya ang pastoryaon. So, usually good sa amo ang day-to-day is when we open the store, first things first yun is manglimpyo. Nga naman manglimpyo? First is, syempre na ay mga hugaw sa gahapon na shift. So, ato tong silhigan at the same time punasan ang mga windows para dili yun siya lama. Especially sa mo ayud sa Yoyo Cafe, gina-make sure yun namo na tidy, clean, at the same time humot ang amo ang cafe. Usually yun sa cafe or any type of business yun is na yung mga cockroach or any mga ipis, di ba? So the good thing is na namin na-discover pod, namin na-discover pero damo i-share because di ba ay. So atong ang approach. We do not want mga pesticide na ibutang, especially mga chemical, because we're dealing food. And syempre kung mag-spray mo yung mga chemical, basi magto pala na sa food, then syempre if ikaon sa customer, so we don't want it. Oo, basi mo pilipod sa mga kutsara tinidor. So we want it mga organic, di ba? So akong mother is na-prepare sa pandan. So, pandan, amo siya ginabutang di sa mga sulok-sulok. And, so far, wala dyo'y ingon niya, o sa observation ko, wala dyo'y ok-ok o ilaga so far. Even tae, or unsa ba, something ba mga residual nila, wala dyo'y so far. So, I guess, akong advice ang pod, kung effective sa mga why not sa inyo, ha, di ba? At the same time is, ang CR. Ang CR yun ang medyo baho, especially daghang yung magamit sa CR, mangihi, na sometimes mag-poop na. Pero, that's normal. That's why duha mong CR yun sa cafe. Isa sa staff o isa sa customer. And what we do, kasi coffee shop man me, o nag-book pod me, ang among mga grind na mga beans, amo siyang ginagamit para sa among CR. Nga naman, usay gamit niya, siya to ang muwala sa baho, but rather pulihan niya og aroma sa kape. So, yan ang mga strategy. And not only that, especially sa among good morning briefing, is nadyan may panata. Ang panata yun namo is mga day-to-day na buhaton. Let's say, no cellphone used during workouts ka na. Bawal yun ang cellphone. Especially sa mga small business owner, i-train inyong mga staff na dili sa sanay sigig cellphone. Why? Because it's very distracting during operation. Naa may tao or wala. Kaya kung naay tao, di siya ka-focus. At the same time, kung wala pa'y tao, kung na mo abot or something ba, kung wala tao, dahil mapasagdaan. Maybe ilahang station kalat because they're too much focused on doing stuff like cellphone. And usually, yun, amo mga production food is naga-label yun me. I-check na mo na. And even po sa mong Grab, gina-check na mo sa mga available food just to make sure kung na mag-order, available siya. Okay? And dahan siya actually, it's a panata yun for us. It's a good morning briefing and good evening briefing. It's 4 pages. So, dalita na namang mga rules. The reason why we do it because awareness is the key. Hindi mo kung maging aware ang staff or the whole of the team if ever dili siya ginastorya. So, and so far, it's very effective and it really helped us na maging productive, effective. At the same time, we approach our customer not only service but only with initiative to talk to them, be with them, and engage with our customer. And from today's world, from today's world, dili yun na more on jud na mag-serve lang kasi mong customer, but rather engage with your customer and talk about activities or life about your customer. Okay, yun nga. Ang customer mo balik yun siya because not only for the food, not only for the coffee, plus points ko na, but mubalik siya because you establish good relationship with your customer, di ba? And that's what we do sa Good Morning Briefing. And it's Tuesday today, medyo ubos-ubusan na mong stocks ngayon. Nga naman, because this week tsaka last week, though we have minimal bookings lang, pero we have dagamig walk-ins. And then especially mga young professionals, mga adults, especially kasi yung target market namin is mga ingana lang mga status. Okay, so magmalengke, may later. Ano yung mga small business owner? Kita yung mamalengke, mangunay. Gahapon gani ay nipalit kog ice, di ba? Nagmotor man ko. So, ana yun na sa mangunay yun ka. Especially na you don't have yet na enough mga resources na imo siya isugutan. But I think it's really good as well para at least in touch ang owner. Kasi I have also experienced na yung mga owners yun. Somehow, magnapabayaan yata lang mga store. And for me, yeah, can store can operate. That's really the goal na maging you can delegate. But I also believe that touch with the owner or touch with the business idea sa owner is also making difference. Kay we're not also making business, but also we're making good relationship with our customers, building a network. And we can't build a network kung narata sa outside. And we're not here in the coffee shop or in the cafe or any type of business do you have. Okay? So sa mga small business owners, pa sa magginagmay pa, ay sa nang delegate, but rather focus on building your business until such time you are able, you have the experience na pwede na ka mo delegate. And you know, asa nakadapit. Okay? Imo lang ma-assess from time to time. Kasi as a small business owner, we don't stop learning. Ano yun na. So, it's time check. It's almost 9. And we're about to prepare mga foods and all because we have booking later. It's around 15 packs plus na pa yung mga walk-in. So, we need to prepare. O, diba? So, whenever you have bookings, meetings, especially 25 packs, 15 packs, 10 packs, 5 packs, or even isa lang ka, we have here fully consumable food and drinks. Pili lang ka. And we have a staff here na very smiling, very approachable. Tingnan ko kung dili approachable. Okay? And then, lastly is, we have a coffee from Mount Apo. Premium. Dili blends. Ang blends is, ginasagula lang Robusta o Arabica. Dili, premium ang coffee. Because we want the taste classic, premium at the same time. We want you to experience what coffee is. Yung anak. Diba? So, for bookings, you can chat our page. For walk-ins, you can visit us and you can study here. You can do productive things here. Our cafe is on kanang pang-productive yun. So, you have discussion, you have networking. So, see you and bye.